Okay, welcome back to Will It Sleep. So this time round, we are going to test out garden items because garden is a space that is exposed to rain and it also tends to get wet. So the items that we are going to test out today will be the spade, the garden stone, and also the potted plants. Alright, so without further ado, let's test on the surface.
So first thing, the garden spade. Slip stop surface.
Whoa, it stays. Alright, so let's look at the next one, the garden stone.
Garden stone. Slip stop surface.
Right, that works. And the last one.
Potted plant. Slip stop surface.
There you go. So that's all for today. If you would like to see more items to be tested on the slip stop surface, do leave us a comment below. We will see you on our next episodes of
Will It Sleep?